Ladies, what's up? It's me, Tami O, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my mini twist routine. Actually, a couple of you guys have requested this routine. I just haven't done mini twists in probably 3 or 4 years, just simply due to the length of my hair. I trimmed my hair recently, so my hair is blown out, and I like to do my mini twists on blown out hair. And my method is I usually just do, I split my hair into 4 parts, and I usually do the first 2 front halves first, just to make sure that my hair is neat, because when it gets towards the back, I don't really care. I still want my parts straight, but I don't really care if they're perfect or anything, but the front, I need them to make sense and be small. So I always start at the front, and there's a couple things that you're gonna need. So first and foremost, I always do mine standing up, and no one helps me with my parts or anything, so I usually just stand in front of the bathroom mirror. And I also just need like a regular just handheld mirror. Additionally, you'll need some other items as well, but not a ton of items. As for styling tools, I usually just use a wide tooth comb and then a rat tail comb for parting, and then some clips. And as for products, you'll just need like an oil or like a hair grease. I just use this oil, the Island oil. I love the smell. People love the smell. Everyone says my hair smells good. I also use Eco Styler on my ends, so my ends are curly.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
Is it straight? Can't even tell, Sean. That is not straight. Okay. Try this again. Whew. It is hot right now. Hot as fuck. Good for me. The part right in between, like right behind the ear. Okay guys, so I am done with my 4 sections. I'm going to start off with this side first. I might start a couple rows and then I'll come back and get you guys in just a second. Hey guys, so I've done 1 row so far, and I just sectioned off a little section. I'm just going to show you guys how I typically twist. I make sure both pieces are relatively even, and then I just twist. Occasionally running my hand through the length of my hair, just due to the length, it'll get tangled. I twist pretty fast, and we're gonna see how long it's gonna take me. I know I'm not expecting it to take me more than like 5 hours or so. We'll see though. And then when it starts getting, even though I tried to make them the same length, they just don't happen to be, because it's like my edges and the rest of my hair. Either you can borrow, can y'all see? You can either borrow from this section, which is what I'm going to do, but once it starts getting pretty thin, I'm not gonna borrow. I'm just going to twist as far down as I can, and then I'm going to get gel and just go like this, y'all see, and then twist, and then my ends are sealed, and then my ends are curly, look nice, and then I continue on with the rest of my hair. All right, this finger to tingle. If there's a lot of tingles, I'll use the rat tail comb. If not, just use it for parting. Try to get 2 pieces that are relatively the same length, and then just start twisting. I know some people braid at the roots. Personally, mine stay pretty neat at the root, so I don't think I will do all of that, but I just twist all the way down. I think because I do blow dry my hair, I'm going to borrow, just in this instance, just like that. But I think because I do blow dry my hair, my roots are pretty flat and they aren't frizzy or anything, so I don't have that issue. But if you sweat a lot, or if you just know your hair will get tangled, maybe do a braid, like maybe like an inch or so at the root, and then twist the rest. I like twists, mini twists. I haven't done mini braids, and I don't think I would ever without adding hair. Just a personal preference. I think it would be the worst thing to take down, but mini twists aren't that bad for me. On to this next section. Again, just do the same thing, like your finger detangle. Make sure your parting is straight. Make sure you have two of relatively the same size pieces, and then just twist. And I'm not going to fast forward this section just so you guys can see how fast I'm twisting. Some people leave a lot of space. Personally, I don't try to leave a ton of space or anything, but when I feel like moving my hands down, I just do. But I try to make my braids pretty tight, just because I leave it in for like a month plus. Some people keep these in for 2 months. I don't know how you could do that. To me, I feel like they would start becoming like locks. If you guys like a fuller look from day one, I would say do it on a lightly stretched hair. Maybe like if you washed your hair and then you banded it or something, and then you could have a more fuller look on the first day. Or you can just dampen your blow dried section so your hair is just semi straight or semi blown out. Personally, I'd rather it be sleek like this, and then throughout the months and the weeks, my hair will definitely pop up. So to me, this is fine. To some other people, it's not fine. But yeah, like every like couple days I will spray my hair with water, and it'll puff up a little bit. So yes, you just can see like the stark differences. They're so thin right now, but they will get more fluffy as the days go on. Okay, we're gonna part another row. Just try to make your parts straight, at least in the front. I'm trying to make them as straight as they can be. Now, if I was using grease, I would grease every single time I am finished with the section. But because I'm just using an oil, I will probably just oil my scalp every quadrant. Alright guys, so I've done 3 rows so far. I'm gonna finish the rest of this particular section, and I'm gonna come back. You guys can see my ends. They're pretty nice and thick. So I'm gonna be right back when I'm done. Alright guys, so I am done with this very first section. Again, everything's looking a little bit thinner because 1, my hair's blow dried, and then 2, it's like the first day, but in a couple weeks they're gonna plump up. But I kind of staggered the parts, and this is what everything's looking like. It falls like right here on me. I will come back in a little bit when I'm done with the other half, front half. Okay guys, so I am down to my last section. I would say on average it takes me like an hour 15. It's not super straight or anything, but it will have to do. And then that is that right there. Flip that to the side and then start on the next rows. So I'm just gonna finish up the rest of my head and then I'll come right back. Alrighty guys, so I am all done with the last section. I don't like how flat it is right now. It's looking really flat and see-through, but I'm going to spray with a little bit of water and hopefully it puffs up, and then it's gonna get fuller as the day goes by, or the days go by. This is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna spray it with some water with my little mist bottle. Then I'll come back, hopefully they puff up a little bit, but I'm not gonna wear it down for a while. Alrighty guys, so I am done with the last section. This is what it looks like right now. It looks a little bit thin. But I'm gonna spray my hair with some water, and then hopefully they puff up a little bit in a couple weeks when they get a little bit fuller. And this is what the hair looks like if it's all in the back. What my parts look like. This is what it looks like in a ponytail. But yeah guys, I'm gonna spray it with some water and then I'm gonna let it puff up just a little bit and then I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so I did spray quite a bit of water on my hair. You guys can see how much they have swollen. I just kind of didn't go super close to my roots, but my hair has definitely shrunk up. Let me show you guys from the back. But yeah guys, so my hair has shrunk up and I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. I really didn't touch my roots because I want my parts to be straight and not frizzy, but I wanted the ends to be thicker. But yeah guys, so this is what my hair is looking like right now at the moment. It has shrunk. I'm just gonna leave it alone so it can keep shrinking up. But yeah, for right now, this is how they look like. I like them. And if you guys have any more specific videos that you guys want to see from me, just let me know and leave a like for me so I know that you guys like these type of hair videos, and I will continue to make them. But until next time guys, adios.